Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the MX Keys Mini. This is the white version. They have different colors as well. You can see how the keys work with this. They're also scalped. Now we'll check out what's inside the box. How you set it up to your device is simple. It's 1, 2, 3. So you turn it on, enable Bluetooth, and you go to the website, or you can just connect it right away. You can do up to 3 devices with this and a function key. So you just tap the function key and you can swap between a phone, a laptop, a desktop, or whatever that this connects through via Bluetooth. So here's the actual keyboard. It comes with a charging cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C charging cable right here. Here you have the on button right here and the USB-C charging port. They say that the battery lasts for months. It also has backlit keys. You can kind of see it right there. So when you're working in the evening, the backlit keys are lit up. I really like the touch sensitivity of the keys. And then up here is the function keys to switch between devices. So you can do up to 3 with one keyboard. You can adjust the lighting behind the keys, and there's other functions up here as well. You can type for many hours and months with this keyboard on a single charge. I like the travel of the keys, and I could see that they're made quite well. There's not a whole lot of sound either, so if you're working in a busy environment or at home, they won't make a whole bunch of sound. But it's portable and it's wireless, and you can get it now from Logitech. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.